Looking for home theater tech that doesn't overcrowd your living area? From a portable projector to a speaker that lies on any side, these gadgets save space. Live in a studio apartment or student housing? You can still set up a decent theater despite the small area. And these are the space-saving entertainment gadgets that can help. Get them to enjoy your content without overcrowding your space. Make your home office stylish and productive with the Samsung Smart Monitor M8 at your desk. It boasts a slim, space-saving design at just 11.4 millimeters thick. It also has a flat back, elevating its aesthetics. What's more, this 4K 32 inches monitor has smart TV and productivity apps built in and even serves as a hub for smart things. Interestingly, you can use it that way without a PC. Moreover, this monitor comes with a movable, magnetic slim-fit camera, delivering clear video conferences. Moreover, the cam supports popular video apps like Google Duo. Furthermore, with a UHD panel that offers 99% of the sRGB color gamut along with 1.07 billion colors, you get beautiful, realistic images. Finally, a USB Type-C port allows 65-watt charging right at your desk. Overall, this monitor is the way to go for a streamlined workspace that connects with your home. Listen to music everywhere with the Sonos Roam SL portable speaker. Incredible from all sides, you can lay it horizontally or vertically to optimize your listening experience and adapt it to your space. This portable speaker automatically connects to your Wi-Fi network at home and connects to your device when you're away for seamless connectivity. More importantly, the Sonos Roam SL delivers crystal clear audio with precision-engineered acoustics that delivers incredible clarity and depth. Best of all, the built-in rechargeable battery provides 10+ hours of non-stop playback at moderate volumes. Additionally, use this speaker in all environments thanks to its shock-absorbent, waterproof, and dust-proof design. This makes it suitable for all weather and terrain. Finally, it's super easy to use as the buttons allow you to seamlessly play, pause, skip, and repeat on command. Experience big, multidimensional sound with the Positive Grid Spark Mini Portable Smart Amp. Equipped with Smart Jam, a machine learning technology, it builds inspiring bass and drum backing tracks that complement your playing style. Moreover, this portable smart amp features 8 dual speakers for a vivid near-field stereo sound and a passive radiator for punchy bass. Best of all, the 3-point contact feet provides the perfect amount of focused bass reproduction. The Positive Grid Spark Mini also provides up to 8 hours of play for playing or listening to music. Suitable for experts and beginners, the app displays chords to millions of songs for the perfect opportunity to refine your skills. Finally, it's available in black and pearl and has a maximum volume of 90 dB. Twist, tilt, tap, and shake the WOWCube puzzle cube to play. The next generation of interactive handheld gaming. It lets you interact with the digital world in 3 dimensions. Play games like 2048, Pipes, and Butterflies as well as puzzles, arcade games, and casual games. And use the app for more. Furthermore, it's STEM certified and great for motor skills and spatial development. Additionally, use it to display widget apps like the weather, notes, and more. Boasting 5 hours of battery life, the WOWCube system lets you play video games in a new way. With 24 screens, it works as a smart lamp, a timer, a digital photo frame, an aquarium, and more. WOWCube system lets you create any content you want, like text notifications, a calendar, a music player, and social media apps. The company allows third-party developers to create games and apps for the WOWCube system using DevKit. Listen to music anywhere and everywhere with the Marshall Willen portable speaker. Boasting a 2 inches full-range driver and 2 passive radiators, it emits a lot of power in a small form. For a more immersive sound, connect multiple speakers. Moreover, this Bluetooth speaker provides over 15 hours of listening on a single charge, and the mounting strap allows you to take it everywhere the party is. The Marshall Willen also comes with an IP67 water and dust-resistant rating, so it's always ready for the road. And its ruggedness dares you to push its limits. Furthermore, this portable speaker includes a built-in microphone, enabling you to answer and reject calls without using your phone. In fact, the front-mounted control knobs let you enjoy hands-free calls with ease. Overall, it's available in 2 colors, cream or black and brass. Reimagine gameplay with the Razer Kishi V2 mobile gaming controller. Compatible with most Android and iPhone smartphones, it brings a console-class gameplay experience to your smartphone. Moreover, this mobile gaming controller includes console-quality controls, analog triggers, and programmable macros. The Razer Kishi V2 also features an extendable bridge that holds smartphones for a secure fit. This way, it won't come loose while you game. In fact, its design makes it great for extended gaming sessions, yet it has a slim profile to fit in your pocket. Furthermore, this gaming gadget offers a low-latency connection for responsive control. It also features pass-through charging, so you can power your phone while you're in the middle of a game. Finally, it even comes with adaptable inserts that are compatible with some cases and screen protectors. Watch TV anywhere, in the bath, in the corner of a room, etc. with the LG StanbyME battery-powered TV. Without any cords to restrict you and a wheelable, height-adjustable stand, you can watch content for up to 3 hours in a location of your choosing. It's the solution to TV freedom. The LG StanbyME, which has a 27 inches screen, features a touchscreen interface, so you can stream material from Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and more. It even supports smartphone mirroring. Moreover, this battery-powered TV can help you work more productively at home by mirroring your laptop's content onto a bigger screen, thanks to the USB and HDMI connections, or transform it into a learning screen to study wherever you choose. And, since the stand is height adjustable, you can customize it to suit your environment and height. Finally, it includes 2 screen modes, horizontal and landscape. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.